Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Chaixolatte. Today I'm going to be walking you through the first acrylic nail set that I am doing on my brand new practice mannequin hand. I am showing you how I am applying my beads of acrylic in real time so that you can see that I do not use the 3 bead method. I apply as many beads as I need in order to get the desired look. At the time of this recording, I have started my acrylic nail journey around about 9 months ago, and I am still practicing my liquid to powder ratio. One tip that will help you obtain a smooth application is to angle the finger downward as you are applying the acrylic. Allow the gravity to pull the acrylic down so that you will avoid spilling into the sidewalls. One tip that I will give any beginner starting their acrylic nail journey is to practice on yourself. Get a hand mannequin, one like my own. I will leave the link down in the description, and take as much time out of your day to practice your acrylic application. Another tip that I find useful when it comes to shaping my nails with my e-file, I like to shape down the center of the nail first and then go around the sidewalls and the cuticle in order to make sure everything is smooth. This mannequin hand is made of silicone, so in between steps I do take the time to use alcohol and a nail brush to scrub away any debris. After all of the filing and buffing is complete, I do remove the nails and take the practice hand over to the sink and actually wash it with hand soap in order to get all of the debris off before I go into painting the nails. When it comes to the nail art designs, repetition will help you hone your skill. Practicing the nail design over and over allows your eyes to get fine-tuned to the details of the nail art. Your hands and fingers will get used to the brush strokes and movements as the movements become second nature to you. With that being said, have patience in your nail tech journey and try your best not to compare yourself to other people. I know that especially when we are new to nails, we have the tendency to look towards others for inspiration, which is perfectly fine, but everyone learns at their own pace. We have to remember that the same people that we are looking up to have put in countless numbers of hours into their craft. And we also will get to that point in our nail journey. But for now, practice as much as you can, enjoy yourself as you are learning, and don't be afraid of your nail sets not looking the best at first. As you dedicate more time to your nail art, you will find that your practice will make progress. In addition to the link to my mannequin hand, I will also leave the link to my nail tips, my rhinestone glue, and my rhinestones in the description bar down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.